Hi, let's talk about Distill. So, Distill is your AI-powered application which transform your newsletter into digestible summaries. So, let's talk like why did I create it? So, I read various tech newsletter daily. So, let's say if I take an example of this uh, Tech Plateau newsletter. So it basically sends various headlines and some summaries of them. So if I have to read these headlines, I have to go to each and every link, and from there I have to read them all. So like this was so like to avoid this thing, I have created this. So I won't be needed to go for each link and read it. Instead, what I'll do, I'll simply forward this newsletter to this email, distillhq@gmail.com. From there, AI will proceed, and after that, I'll get a link for that digest dashboard for my email. So yeah, let's see like how it will work under the hood. After that, we'll see the demo. So yeah, so whenever a user forward a email to that email ID, so first of all, it will process that email. So yeah, so let me clear one thing. Like I have not used any paid LLM API here. I have just used a simple Gemini API, which is free of cost through Vertex AI. So for that, for keep it free, I have used some manual steps like I'm searching those headlines on the internet, and from that I'm the result, scraping the search result from there, and after that I'm extracting that content and then I'm generating the summaries. So this is the whole flow. So first of all, whenever I get an email, first I'll extract all headlines from there. After that, if we found the headline, it will search for those headlines on the internet. So again, I have not used any search engine APIs like that. I used SearchNG. SearchNG is basically an open source meta search engine which combines the result of multiple services. And yeah, since it was open source, so I have posted it on Render, and from there I'm using it. So yeah, like this here I have posted it, and I'm using it from here. So after getting the search result, since I'm getting for every headline, I'm getting two search results. From there, I'll scrap those URLs from the internet. This is happening in batches. So for every headline, again, I'm scraping two URLs. So after extracting the content, I'll again call Gemini API for checking the relevancy, whether these content are relevant to that headline or not. If it is relevant, then it will generate the summary. If it not, then it will move to the next URL. That's why we have fetched multiple URL. So after generating the summary, it will simply send an email back to the user with the link of that digest dashboard. And here I am storing that summaries into the DB, and Frontend will serve that API, like backend will serve that API to the dashboard. So this is the whole flow. Let's see how it works. So I'll just forward that email, that newsletter to Distill here. So found that email. Now it is processing it. It got the headlines. Now searching for those headlines. Now it is scraping the results. It scraped the results. Now it is generating summaries. It will take a few minutes. So it processed the mail, and let's see. So we got the mail digest. So yeah, these are the results. We can read all those summaries, and if we want to read the full article, we can also read it from here. So yeah, this was it. That's it.